another episode of American Garage TV. We're talking about today the Stage 1 PerTronix distributor conversion. This is a point eliminator kit. It's a part number 1162A, and comes with a set of instructions, and here's all you have to do. This is the original. You have two screws that mount the plate on, and these two are for the cap. So basically what you do is you remove this comes off, and of course this is not here. You remove the points, and if you're unfamiliar with points, basically you're going to have 6 sides here because it's a 6-cylinder, okay? These are lobes, like a cam. When this comes around, this swipes against here, and this opens this up. Now over time, these can get dirty, corroded. You need to file and clean those, and it needs to be roughly about 16 to 18 thousandths of a gap. And I've got my gap here, and this came with the kit, although kind of surprising. It's not mentioned in the instructions. And this right here, when you put this together, so again, you're going to remove this. This is a whole assembly. This piece was bent, by the way, and this was barely hanging on. You can replace it with a C-clip, straighten that out, and great, this is working again. But after this comes off, this goes in, you're going to align this tab right here, again, this is the old one, with the vacuum advance, and then you're going to line these two holes up, and that's going to situate and sit right down, okay? And you can't get it wrong because this is only in one position, so there's never a chance of being 180 off. Once that's done, this electrode here gets mounted down, the module. This right here, make sure it's clean, it's magnetic. That's going to slide right over, and it's that simple. And you're not going to need to space this because there's no spacage. And then you're going to need to bridge the ground from the module to the base. Tighten everything down. You can use a little bit of blue Loctite. Bob's your uncle. Pop that back on, and you are good to go. That is all it takes for a point conversion. Thanks again for watching.